The withdrawal of funding from WHO, World Health Organization, by USA meant to cripple Zimbabwe health program. Mnangagwa sanapana mashoko anodanyuka panapa paende BBC Zimbabwe vatira mashoko achiti aiwa kuwithdraw kwakaita Trump aiwa kuWorld Health Organization aiwa kwakawangorongiwa kuti kucriple nyika yeZimbabwe. Sanapana mashoko anodatoka panapa tinyatsokuona komuna panguva ino makunyatsokuona kuti aiwa they have to do work and make things happen. Not about subscribe or like out on the bell like tinda paendo BBC Zimbabwe mudanyira chiti the League of Zimbabwean President Emmerson Mnangagwa has come out to gun blazing against the withdrawal by Trump from funding World Health Organization WHO, saying that the withdrawal is targeting to cripple the health programs and it is another illegal sanction against the poor Zimbabweans. Mnangagwa complaints comes amidst the signing of an executive order to withdraw United States from the World Health Organization by the new US President Donald Trump on his first day in the office. Rodi, a political commentator in Zimbabwe, welcomed the USA decision to withdraw from WHO, telling Mnangagwa to put his house in order and found the Zimbabwe Youth Program on his own, not to wait for what Rodi said next door further to take care of Zimbabwe affairs. In his words, Rodi said, if Mnangagwa believes he is the president in Zimbabwe, then why crying for another president of another country to take care of the Zimbabwe health? Mashoko anobuda kwa this commentator achiti aiwa kana Idi Mnangagwa ari mutungamiri wenyika, why is it they are crying for another president? Varikuda kuisa action kuti vakwanise kuimprove all these health services. Amuziva kuti aiwa madonations nezvimwe zvakasiyana siyana zvaireceiva kubva kuWorld Health Organization zvipiwa vagari venyika yeZimbabwe for free. Zvakuonekwa kunzi aiwa government yenyika yeZimbabwe yakufanira kuva responsible for that. Todze mafungiro enyu kuti kudii pamusoro pekuungudza nekuchema kuri kuitika panguva ino. Pinda comment section medu, subscribe or like, turn on the bell icon.